Estimating the labor costs for installing 2 new 20 FT pole lights requires considering several factors. These factors include local labor rates, the number of poles being installed, the height of the poles, the type of concrete work required, the complexity of site conditions such as uneven ground or obstacles, and the equipment required, such as trenches or a concrete mixer. Based on these factors, a reasonable estimate for the labor costs to install 2 new 20 FT pole lights, including the services of disconnecting existing poles, chopping out old bases, installing new bases, mounting new 20 FT poles, and performing the necessary concrete work, can be broken down as follows. Firstly, disconnecting existing poles may cost between $200 and $350 per pole. Secondly, chopping out the old bases could range from $150 to $250 per pole. Thirdly, installing new bases is estimated at $250 to $400 per pole. Fourthly, mounting the new 20 FT poles is expected to cost between $300 and $500 per pole. Fifthly, the concrete work, which includes excavation, forming, pouring, and finishing, may range from $400 to $700 per pole. Therefore, the total estimated labor cost would be a low end of $2,450 and a high end of $4,550. It is important to remember that this estimate assumes that all necessary materials, such as the poles, bases, and concrete, are provided. If the site conditions are particularly complex or hazardous, additional labor costs may be required. It is highly recommended to obtain quotes from multiple licensed electrical contractors to ensure competitive pricing for the pole light installation project.